Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I am going to tell how to download and set a random tone or music as ringtone in your iPhone. For that we need to download the GarageBand app and we need to download music file from the Safari app. Click the music or song you want to be downloaded. Click on mobcap.net to download the file. On right top corner, you may witness a download symbol to check whether the file is downloaded or not. Please download the M4R format song. Open the GarageBand app and now click on the blue color triangle and top left second one to open the mic. Click on the loop button which is on right corner. Select files from. You can witness on files downloaded music files. Select one of it and drag it to the back interface. Click the down arrow button and click on My Songs. I have already downloaded the Saho one, so hold it and click on Share button and set it as ringtone. Click on change the name and click on Export. After exporting, please open the settings, that is sounds and haptics. On ringtone you can witness. I have downloaded both and kept both. Thank you.